Hello guys and welcome to Dhalimartin. If you don't know me, my name is Diana Jimenez and I am a mother of 3 and welcome to my channel. You will see a lot of motherhood, lifestyle, makeup, a lot of different stuff which are an everyday life thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and you will see a recipe that I got from my crockpot menu. So here, I will also give you guys the recipe for those that will want to recreate this recipe. If you are following me, if you are new here, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know where you're from, what do you like eating, and if you guys are in any type of lifestyle eating like keto, vegetarian, vegan, give me some ideas, recipes, everything is welcome. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get to it. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients. The ingredients are a can of diced tomatoes. I got these from Sam's Club, so if you like, you can get them there pretty well. A can of pinto beans, some puree garlic, because I like to give it a little taste, little spice. You can use any type of meat. I personally am using pork, ground pork, but you can use ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey, as you like. And I am also using some onion, some peppers, green peppers, really chopped, some taco seasoning, a little bit of turmeric to give it a little spice, a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way with turmeric. Be careful, spicy. An Italian dressing, salad dressing seasoning mix. That is what the recipe says. I just added some onion, some peppers, and the garlic. So now I will be showing you step by step. Here we go.
Music licensing reimagined.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart.
Music licensing reimagined.
Give me your love, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart, yeah. Give me your love, yeah.
As you can see guys, now we're going to add the meat and start simmering the meat and cooking the meat. And first we're gonna
Artlist.io.
Watch out, they said I won't see you coming. Once I for sure, one blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm as to open, you'll come our direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention.
Music
Now it's up to
licensing
me.
reimagined.
You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear. Just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear. Just stay right there.
Artlist.io.
Close now. Could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor. You got that something I can't explain. And I'm hesitant, hoping you'll come my direction. I get it.
Music
ahead of
licensing
myself.
reimagined.
You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear. Just stay right there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Won't you just stay right there? You're looking at me and I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be
Artlist.io.
patient, dear. Just stay right there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy,
Artlist.io.
but that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire.
Music licensing reimagined.
Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives. Just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Oh, I miss the summers with you and never swipe left to right.
Artlist.io.
No fair request, no, just spent the night. I had to walk right up to your locker and risk you saying, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sun's in
Now I'll be
dark.
adding
Music licensing reimagined.
Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives. Just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Go get your DeLorean.
Artlist.io.
comments. Like some of this taco.
Yo, what you got in that bag? Candy, cigarettes, and a Playboy mag. Many used to have to work for that.
And it's a taco.
Wait for me, gotta dial up. Can't call my landline cause it's all tied up. Just bike over then.
Music licensing reimagined.
enjoying this recipe, making this recipe with me.
Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life.
Guys, I am using this silicone, as you can see, silicone, because that way it doesn't scratch the pot and it
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So you guys can get it in Sam's Club if you like.
Artlist.io.
So I'm just going to use a little bit. So I'm going to use the smallest teaspoon that we have, which is a quart. And just...
Music licensing reimagined.
Because it says half a packet of taco seasoning. So I put 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, and
Artlist.io.
that's about it. That's what it says. And then we just stir it. Stir, stir, stir.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now we pour it into the crock pot. This part, we will pour it in. Make sure all the seasoning comes out. We're gonna add 2 more cups of water. More. Then we'll be adding the diced tomato. Try to break my nails. Yum, yum, yum.
Music licensing reimagined.
And the pinto beans. Guys, this is the first time I try this recipe, so I will be giving you details on how it tastes. This all out. Now we stir it.
Artlist.io.
Setting of the pot to where it's
Music
supposed to be.
licensing reimagined.
So now we're going to stop the pot. Where is that? Because it's cooked. The meat is cooked. It finally cooked. So we're gonna press stop. We're gonna press menu, and we're going to put it in soup or stew, which is 2. And that is going to start for about 20 minutes. Let's place the lid. This is the lid. Safety first, guys. You turn this to close it, and then just press start and wait for 20 minutes. So we will wait for 20 minutes, and then I will give you
Music licensing reimagined.
the results of how it tastes. This is the first time that we are doing it and eating it, so let's see. Time to open up the pot. That means it's done. So now we're going to do this. You gotta be very careful. Let all the air out before you open it. Precaution, guys. Always precaution. Let it air out, and then you can open it. If you open it as it is, it can explode and burn your face. So always precaution. Precaution number 1 rule of these pots. Okay, so it's ready.
Music licensing
Once that
reimagined.
little red dot is down, you can open the pot. So now let's see how this came out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Became too watery, so I'm gonna have to make it thicker. But
Music licensing reimagined.
it looks good. Let's taste it to see how it came out. It's good. Good. So this is the final result of the taco soup, and we will garnish it with some cheddar cheese on top, because there ain't no taco without no cheese. Here we go. And voila, it's ready to eat. A little bit more, and it's ready to eat.
Music licensing
Enjoy.
reimagined.
This is how I'm eating mine. Piece of avocado, some cheese. Woo, yeah. And now I'm gonna feed the kiddos. Well, the kiddos. Guys, this is amazing. Like, amazing. Oh my god, it tastes just like taco. Just in soup form. So, I hope you guys like my video. And I will be putting up more recipes and more good stuff, more good content. I hope you guys like it. Don't mind the noise. It's Mr. Aaron. Say hi, Aaron. Say hi. Hi. And then Julius. Julius. Say hi. Say hello. Hello. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my recipe, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell so you can get notified for every time that I upload a video. And this is your girl Dhalimartin. I hope you guys come back, we become friends, and we can chit chat.
Music licensing reimagined.
Until next time, guys. Thank you.